Go get him! Good a boy.
He doesn't know what to do. Pretty good. That was a pretty good greeting.
Yeah, he's a bit kissy.
He is. Hi, baby.
Yeah. We got a long ride tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll let Captain out in a second. You know, my mom was like, oh, he'll remember. I said, what are you, crazy? Of course he will. You know? It like all comes, you know? Of course he knows.
It's Daddy. It's Daddy. He's coming. Look at you.
Monkey baby. Yes. Yes.
Oh. Look at Teach fighting him.
Yeah. Yeah. I know. You're crazy. You're John. Oh my gosh. Hey, chill out, buddy. Good boy.
It's Daddy.
Good boy. You guys take care of Mom while I was gone? Huh? You take care of Mom? We'll take care of Mom? Speak, monkey. Good boy. Shake. Good boy. Come here. Monkey. Shake.
Teach is like, just kiss me. Aww. Jax is like making out with you.
Oh, well, you too, baby boy.
Aww. Teach is sitting for you. Did you see him? He's like, I can try and be good. Aww.
Alright, Kodiak's about to get the shock of his life. Mac's back. Okay! Okay, let's get this on video. Kodiak, do you know who's coming? You have no idea who's coming? But you're gonna get... Oh my god, who is it? Come on, Mac! Look at his stripe on his back is up. He's like, oh,
Cody.
Run in here real quick. He'll chase you. Run in the living room. Oh my goodness.
Good boy. Yeah.
This is just like last time.
Good boy.
Oh, look at his little tag whale. Or little, I can't even talk. His little tail wag. I'm not drunk. Oh!
Oh, Cody Bear. Yeah. I missed you.
He's like, you smell like ass.
Yeah, you smell worse than I do. Good. Sit.
Aww. Want to give him a kiss? Whoa.
No, he's too worked up.
Kodiak.
Good.
Kodiak. Was that the best present ever? Go get him, Kodiak! Go get him! Go get him!
He looks bigger. Such a good dog.
I don't remember how to stop it. Oh, there we go. I love you.
I love you too.
Yay.
You got your bracelet on. I just
Yeah,
noticed.
you should videotape. It's still going. Is it still going? It is. You should videotape my...
Your lovely outfit.
Yes.
Oh, Cody.
Kodiak wants to... Oh, no, you don't turn to the side because it won't turn with it.
No.
The video will just turn sideways. I should get my shoes.
All right. Oh, man. Good
I
boy.
didn't want to wear these in because I was going to get trampled over.
Yeah.
Because someone taught him how to do the car wash. Yay!
You look wonderful. And so do you.
Kodiak's like, oh, I'm sorry, but I need to be the center of attention still.
You are so heavy now.
What are you doing, Bobby? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hide my puppy.
Is that Daddy? Is that Daddy?
Come here.
Oh, Daddy. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you don't know
No, Max. Max, put that up.
You don't know what to do. That's my club. My muscle dog.
He's like, oh, guys, do you know who this is? That's Daddy.
Oh, yes, I know you missed it, didn't you? Yes, you did. Didn't you? Huh?
He doesn't know what to do.
He's gonna have frothy.
Yeah, he is. Look at him.
Good boy.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. No, Max, put it down.
Hey, how you doing?
His fur's all standing up, Bill. Look at that. He's gonna go crazy now.
Stop, stop. Sit.
Max, put it up, baby.
Here, sit.
Max.
Good boy, you sit. Yeah, I know you miss me. I miss you too. Yes, I do. Yes, I did.
Daddy.
You give me a hug? You give me a hug?
Aw, Daddy.